Hello everyone, I am going to share recruitment notification of Central Pollution Control Board for 74 post of consultant A, B and C under National Clean Air Program. This is the detailed recruitment notification under National Clean Air Program. Position on contract basis. Total 74 posts for consultant A, B and C. Consultant C only 3 posts, consultant B 52 posts and consultant A 19 posts. Posting will be in 21 states. Urban local bodies or State Pollution Control Board or Regional Office of State Pollution Control Board. Essential qualification and experience. Master degree in environmental engineering or science or bachelor degree in environmental engineering technology is required for consultant A, B or C, and experience is required for the post of consultant A more than 3 and up to 5 years, for consultant B more than 5 and up to 10 years, for consultant C 10 years up to 15 years. You can see the guidelines for engagement of consultants in Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change published on 22nd September 2020. For the post of consultants in ministry or its department, the essential qualification for the post of consultants A, B or C was master degree in science or bachelor degree in engineering as the minimum qualification, with good knowledge of MS Office and experience in the relevant field for a various periods for consultant A, B or C. And now it has been changed in current recruitment. Only master degree in environmental engineering or bachelor degree with experience. If you have experience in the field of environment, you can submit your representation for amendment or change the qualification as per previous. Age limit is same, 65 years. 10 post for Uttar Pradesh, 4 Rajasthan, 4 Punjab, Odisha 2, Nagaland 2 and Maharashtra 10 post. Madhya Pradesh 5, Karnataka 2, Jharkhand 3, Jammu Kashmir and Haryana 1 post, Himachal Pradesh 2, Gujarat total 5 post, Andhra Pradesh 6 post, Assam, Bihar and Chhattisgarh 2 post in each. And payment, consolidated payment for consultant A 60,000, consultant B 80,000 and consultant C 1 lakh. If you have experience in the field of environment, you can submit your representation for amendment or change the qualification. The retired government employees with experience in the field of environmental pollution management or environmental pollution control are also eligible for the post of consultant A, B or C with experience in the field of environmental pollution management. No application fee, and application last date is 10th October 2023. Interview will be held in Delhi only. No reservation will be considered for the post of consultant, and online application is available on the CPCB website. You can apply from the official website of CPCB, www.cpcb.nic.in. This is the link for this recruitment.